Good evening, friends. So I bought this table, TINGBY. You see this table, and I'm doing the assembling this table. I made another video where you can see the complete assembly, but one of the problem which I am facing, this one. So I tried to set this using my hand. So it is impossible. It is using my hand. I don't have so much force to so it's very easy. Now what you have to do, you have to use your leg also. Here put your leg and use whole force, put your hand at bottom. Now have you seen? Now it is set. It is set now. Same thing I'm going to do for this also. So keep it in mind. If you are unable to set using your power of the hand, if you are unable, like this, if you are unable to do it, I don't have power. So in that case, put your leg here and then try to. Now it is set. Good. Have you seen? This is set now. So this is the method, easiest method I think we have for setting. Okay. Thank you. Hopefully this video help you to assemble the leg on this table. Okay. Leg of the table on the inside the table, not your leg. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.